Good morning, dear students. Let's see simplification, and the rule is BODMAS. We have seen ODMAS, so here is BODMAS. B stands for bracket, and the rest all are same. Okay, of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So here we are more interested in learning brackets. You see, and the rest are same. So what are brackets and what are this? How are these brackets used in simplification? Okay, so let's see here the thing. Brackets, you see, there are four kinds of brackets. Okay, four kinds of brackets. What are their names? Let's see. And how do we represent them? Means, what are their symbols? The symbols with their names. First one is round brackets or small brackets. You see the symbol. Curly brackets, you can see the symbol. Third one is rectangular brackets or big brackets, and the symbol is there. And the bar bracket, line bracket, or vinculum. Okay, the first one is round brackets. You see the symbol, curly, rectangular. Okay, and then the last one is bar bracket, line bracket, or vinculum. This last kind of bracket, that is the bar bracket, we will not be using here in our lesson. It is just for understanding only. You must know there are four kinds. Okay, the last one, bar bracket or the line bracket, this kind of brackets we will not be using here. They are hardly used, so we will discuss those last kind of bracket in higher classes. For now, we will discuss only the three kinds: round brackets, curly brackets, and rectangular brackets. So, and the symbols you must memorize. Okay, you must know which kind of bracket is having which symbol. Okay, the symbols are all different, and then you must try to practice how to write these brackets. Okay, you try to learn. Then let's see how these brackets are used in simplification by taking up one example. Here, let's see one example. I am writing here. You see, I am writing the bracket, correct? The first bracket, that is the round bracket. And inside the bracket, what are the numbers? 3 into 2 minus 4 plus 1. So you copy the same thing in the solution, then is equal to 8 minus. So inside the bracket there is multiplication, so do multiplication first. 3 2 are 6 minus 4 plus 1. Again addition, that is 6 plus 1 minus 4. Then 7, 6 plus 1 is 7 minus 4, it will give you almost 3. Then subtract this 3 from 8, you get finally 5. Next one, here you see it is little bit long, and here we can see all the three kinds of brackets I am using. Okay, so while solving we will first start from the round brackets, okay, or the small brackets. What are the numbers inside the round brackets? 8 minus 2 plus 1. So the remaining all other numbers will be copied same. So first we will add, so 8 plus 1 and then minus 2 later on. So first 8 plus 1 will give you 9, then minus 2. Still there is round bracket, we have not finished calculating. Okay, inside the round bracket, so 9 minus 2 will give you 7. Now round bracket is finished. Now start the curly bracket. So 3 minus 2 plus 7, we will do addition first. So 3 plus 7, it will give you 10 minus 2. Then do the subtraction, 10 minus 2, curly bracket will be over. So 10 minus 2 is 8. Then do the last kind of rectangular brackets. 2 plus 10 is 2 plus 8 is 10, and then 10 plus 3 is 13, and that's the answer. So here round brackets, starting from round brackets to curly to rectangular. Here this is the exact question in your page number 30, exercise 7. Okay, look at the book if you want. Okay, you can check the numbers. Then we will, as I told you, we will start from the round brackets. Subtraction, that is 1 minus 1 by 3. So 1 minus 1 by 3, the first one, there is no denominator, so I am putting 1, 1 as the denominator. Now by taking the LCM of the denominators, try to subtract these two fractions. You have learned how to subtract fractions in class 4 also. If you have no idea how to subtract fractions, we can do a separate class for this one. Okay, so 1 into 3 minus 1 into 1 divided by 3 The denominator 3 is coming from the LCM of the denominators, okay, of the two fractions inside the round brackets. So 3 into 1 is 3 and 1 into 1 is 1. So 3 minus 1. We are still doing the round brackets here, okay. First do the round brackets, then only you can do the curly brackets, then rectangular brackets. So 3 minus 1 is 2 by 3. Now we will start the curly brackets. Inside the curly brackets, you see there is one division sign and there is one, subtraction sign, minus. So we will do the division first. That means if you divide 3 by 1, how much you will get? 3 divided by 1. Any number divided by 1. What is the answer? 3 divided by 1, any number divided by 1 is the number itself. That is 3 divided by 1 is 3 itself. So I am writing there below 1 divided by 3 divided by 1 is 3 only. Again, for this 3, the first number inside the curly bracket, this 3 has denominator 1. And after taking the LCM, subtract the fractions. That is 3 into 3 minus 2 into 1 whole divided by 3. Now multiply the numerators first, okay. So this will be how much? It will be giving you 3 into 3 is 9 minus 2 into 1, 2. That is 9 minus 2. Then finally copy the same numbers. 12 minus 4 divided by 2, it will give you 4 divided by 2 will give you 2, and 9 minus 2 is 7 by 3, okay. The denominator is 3 is there. So let me write on the side, I don't have space. Again do the addition, 2 plus 7 by 3. The denominator of 2 is 1. So the fraction, if you add, it will become 2 into 3 plus 7 into 1. So this will be 12 minus 6 plus 7 divided by 3. So this will be 12 minus, now remove the brackets, it will be 6 plus 7, 13 by 3. Again take the LCM of 1 and 3. Why 1? Because 12 has denominator 1. So the LCM will give you 3. Then the numerator will be what? 12 into 3 minus 13 into 1 whole divided by 3. Then multiply and then subtract, okay. 12 3 are how much? 12 3 are 36. So 36 minus 13 into 1 is 13 itself. So 36 minus 13 is how much? It is 23. Yes, 36 minus 13 is 23 by 3. Then now divide this 23 by 3. How you divide? Like this, okay. 3 7 are 21, then remainder is 2. Now you need to change into a mixed fraction. How? You will write in the form of Q quotient R remainder divided by divisor D. Divisor, okay, not dividend. So what is the quotient here? Quotient is 7 in the division, okay. You check the division there. So quotient is 7, then remainder is 2, and the divisor is 3. So 7 whole number 2 by 3, and that's the answer, okay. So this is how we solve this question. So let's see one more again after this. And if you do not know how to subtract fractions by taking the LCM, those people just tell me, I will teach you in a separate class, okay. So here let's see question number 12 again. First of all, you will take the LCM of the denominators of the fractions which are inside the round brackets. So round brackets, 1 by 6, 1 by 4, 1 by 12. So the denominators are 6, 4 and 12. So take the LCM, that is 24. So the first numerator 1 into 4, second number into 6, third number into 2. So 1 into 4, 1 into 6, 1 into 2. And the symbols between them are plus and minus. So the remaining numbers will be the same. Then multiply, 1 4 are 4, 1 6 are 6, and 1 2 are 2. Then we are still under the round brackets, okay. We are still doing the round brackets, we have not yet finished. So 1 by 13 plus, then this will be 4 plus 6 will be 10 minus 2 by 24. Then this will be, copy the same, the remaining this one numbers. Now our round brackets is over. 10 minus 2 is 8, and we will cancel the denominator 24. 8 1 are 8 and 8 3 are 24. So just copy the same. 1 by 13 plus 1 by 3. Now why 1 by 3? I am cancelling there, correct? 8 1 are 8 and 8 3 are 24, so it is becoming 1 by 3. Now take the LCM of 3 and 13, the 13 denominator and the 3 denominator. So the LCM is 39, and after taking the LCM, add them. How? So the numerator 1 into 3 plus 1 into 13 divided by denominator 39. So this will be 5 by 2 minus 1 into 3 is 3, 113 are 13. Then continue. Let me write on the side. You cannot write on the side, okay? You have to write directly below. In your notebook, do not write on the side. You have to write, go below, okay? Straight. So 5 by 2 minus 13 plus 3 is 16 by 39. So take the LCM of 2 and 39. It is how much? 78. Okay, you do it yourself, okay? In your notebook, take the LCM by yourself. Do not just copy from here. Then this is how much? LCM is 78. So 5 into 39 minus 16 into 39, 2 are 78. So multiply them. Next line. Okay. So 5 39 are how much? You have to multiply. Okay, multiply yourself in your notebook. 39 multiplied by 5. So this is equal to 4 minus 539 are how much? 195 minus 16 2 are 32. Close the bracket. Now you can remove the bracket. Okay, final step. 4 minus 195 minus 32 is 163 by 78. Again, this 4 has denominator how much? What is the denominator of 4? It is 1. So I am writing here 1, just for your understanding. Actually I can directly jump to the next step only, but I'm just writing here 4 by 1, okay, so that you can understand better. 1 and 78, the denominators, okay, both the denominators, their LCM is 78 itself. So 4 into 78 minus 163 into 1. So multiply this 4 into 78, how much it will give you? Okay, it will give you 312 minus 163 into 1 is the same number, 163, whole divided by 78. Again, next part, subtract these two numbers and write the numerator. So this is 149 by 78. Now divide this 149 by 78. How you will divide? Like this. Okay, I have shown you the division. 78 1 are 78, and then remainder is 71. Again write in the form of QR by D. That is 1 whole number 71 by 78. So that's the answer. Okay, so this is how we solve the questions. If you have anything to ask me, just let me know. Thank you.